This is Amihan Star. She was born August 8th, 2018. She's a month old right now. And she was born in Shipra Birthing Homes in Taytay, Rizal. And the experience was painful but sweet. I felt everything from the contraction until she came out. And my husband Todd, my son Himalaya, and my mother were there, and all the midwives were there to support me.
Yeah, it was powerful. I mean, really powerful. It was like thunder and lightning at the same time. Really sent a big surge through my whole body. The year leading up to the birthing, we were going through so much trauma and so much hardship in our lives, and such a long streak of bad luck. I was pretty much scared to death, thinking that the worst was going to happen. But thank God, and everything went just perfectly, and we got a miracle, and Amihan was born.
It was kind of gross, but it was beautiful. When she came out, she was the beautiful thing I ever see. Mom and Amihan just got skin to skin. After skin to skin, she breastfeeded her. After breastfeeding her, in the morning, we went back to home, and we were so proud that I have another sister.
Oh, thank you, Lord. Crying baby. Yes. Thank you.
Oh yeah, it's in the way.
Okay, I would like to thank each and every one of you here this afternoon, Jim and other distinguished officers of Max International, and sa inyong po lahat for welcoming me and having me here on your anniversary. And I would like to present our newborn, Amihan Star. She's 3 days old. And that's my commitment to Max International. I just gave birth 3 days ago, and I'm here.
Dad,
Hang on, one sec. Yeah, in a minute.
Our little star, Amihan Star. So this is my husband, and we would like to thank Max International for doing it.
Well, I had a dream. I stood beneath an orange sky. Yes, I had a dream. I stood beneath an orange sky, with my brother standing